Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today's video is going to be a Paula's Choice haul. I know I've been having my monthly haul videos, but I felt like because I love Paula's Choice so much, I would give them their own video. And moving throughout the year, depending on how much I shop, sometimes it'll be a one-off haul, sometimes it'll be a monthly video. We'll just see how it goes. So let me crack this open. I did use one of their sales. I purchased during one of their sales. They've been having like sales non-stop pretty much since the holidays started. And they do have a section on their website where they indicate which products they make that are not vegan and what specific ingredient and why it's not vegan. So I referenced that for my purchases, although I do think they threw in a freebie that had something that's not vegan, so I'm gonna have to just give that away to a friend. Luckily I didn't spend my money on it because it was a freebie, but it was thrown in as well. So let's crack open this package. Like, look how pretty everything's packaged. So this sliding product here on top, this is the one that I believe is not vegan according to their page about that in their help section. So it is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting BH9 Salicylic Acid 9 Exfoliate. I want to say this is their like super concentrated BHA product that usually comes in like a pump or something, or maybe it's in a different formulation now, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure this one is not vegan. So I'm gonna stick this in a little bag that I keep going for giving away to friends. So that we will stick to the side. I've never tried that one anyway, so I can't tell you about how it works. I'm not sure, but we're not gonna use it. So the first few things I have here are skincare products for your body, and I've been wanting to try things from them in that regard for a while and just never got around to purchasing them. So this one is the Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA with salicylic acid and antioxidants. I think this would really be nice on my KP, so I'm very interested to see how that levo and salicylic acid for the body is going to work. And I love this color too. And then this next product is the Skin Revealing Body Lotion with 10% AHA, glycolic acid, and antioxidants. So excited about that too. And then they also have one, I think, that has like retinol in it or something, but that one wasn't vegan and I really wanted to try it. But maybe one day they will reformulate to take the non-vegan product out. That would be lovely. Thinking about a Paula's Choice. Next largest item in here, I guess that's how we're going to unbox this by what's big. This is the Enriching Calming Toner. I do have a couple of toners that I'm working on finishing up right now, and then I have another one that is pretty full, but it's got something in it I don't love, but I'm gonna try and finish it up anyway since I already started it. But I wanted to have just a really good solid toner on hand, and so I just kind of picked one. Most of them are vegan, and I would say most of her toners function in the same way. So just read through the descriptions and pick the one you think will work best for you. The next item is one of her boosters. I already have several of her boosters if you watched my favorite skincare video recently, so you'll know that I enjoy them. And this is the 1% retinol booster with vitamin A and licorice. And so this is just a little something extra. I already have two of her retinol products. I don't know, but I figured I'd just get this as a booster for a little something extra once in a while. There's that. Next item is the Skin Restoring Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I don't know if I've actually tried the specific one from her. I have tried the tinted one. That was a long time ago, so I can't confirm whether or not that's vegan. I want to say most of her SPF products are, but obviously check the website. And I didn't like the tinted one. To me, it was not moisturizing enough, and on my very, very fair skin, I don't know if it comes across on screen, but I am literally like ghostly, especially now that I just never leave the house, and so that very, very light tint in that moisturizer was even too much for me. So I'm excited about this one, and I'm hoping that it'll be a good addition to my skincare because I was using a Supergoop one that I just didn't really love, and so I'm hoping this will be a better adventure than that one. And if not, I'm so not picky. I end up finishing SPF products anyway, so whatever. I think, is that everything I bought? No, that's a freebie. That's a freebie. This I bought, I believe. The water infusing electrolyte moisturizer. So I wanted to purchase, the packaging keeps hitting my arm. I wanted to purchase one of their moisturizers. It was just a straight up plain old regular moisturizer. So I got this one, and we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I do have a few nighttime moisturizers, although this one says PM, but I'm probably going to use this in the AM, that are thicker, a little more rich, but I wanted something a little different for the day. I think I only have one or two smaller sized ones for daytime left, and I know I'm going to go through them fairly quickly. So I have this, and I am excited to try that because that's another product I've never tried. Actually, I don't think I've tried any of these products. I'm not sure. I can't remember which toners I've used in the past, but no, I haven't tried any of these. And then these are the two other freebies that I think are okay for me to use that came with that other freebie. It was the hyaluronic acid booster with ceramides. Now I'm using a marine hyaluronic from The Ordinary right now, so I might just set this aside and not open it just yet until that one's finished. And then a mini size of the water infusing electrolyte moisturizer, which I just showed you guys. And that's everything I got in my Paula's Choice haul. So if you watch the channel with any regularity, you know that I am a big Paula's Choice fan. I just love her products. They're always reliable, and it's easy to figure out which ones I can use as vegan and which ones to avoid because of their website, providing that list in their help section, which is so nice. And I'm excited to try all these new products, especially these body products, which I have yet to try. I'm so excited about these, and I love this pink, this purple colors, lavender. It's really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below, and I'd also love to know what your favorite Paula's Choice product is down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to anything I'm wearing and can find or find something similar to, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.